Welcome to the tutorial session of Weather Analysis for Flight. Log in into your AeroGCS KEA using valid email ID and password. You will see Home option on the dashboard. Click on the Home and go to General Settings. AeroGCS KEA shows weather of each particular city as selected. Weather of each selected city is being seen in this format. Weather can be updated as per each city. Here we have selected Mumbai for instance. As seen, weather has been updated as per the selected city. Humidity, wind speed and amount of rainfall has been forecasted. Weather forecast of further 7 hours has been provided. Thank you for watching AeroGCS KEA tutorial video.